Hi, I'm Serum Shumapti and welcome to my channel, and today we're going to talk about tanning. So in this video I'm not going to give you any magic solution like that's going to remove your tan in one day, something like that. Not gonna happen. It is complicated. You need to understand few things before you treat tanning. So why we get tanned? Simply because our skin is trying to protect ourselves from the UV rays. So what happens when UV rays hits the skin? Our skin starts producing more and more melanin in order to protect our skin. Tanning is actually the visible signs of sun damage to your skin and its body's defense against the UV rays. If you are familiar to Fitzpatrick scale, I have spoken about this earlier. So this scale divides or classifies skin color into 6 categories. So if you have lighter skin tone, you are likely to burn easily, and if you have deeper skin tone, then you're likely to get tan easily. So now the big question is, what you can do about tanning? Well, you can do two things. First, you can prevent it from happening by using sunscreen and by limiting skin's exposure to direct harsh sun rays. We can use full-sleeved clothes, we can use umbrella, you can seek shade. So these are the preventing steps, and prevention is better than cure. And this video is going to focus on what to do when your skin is already tanned. If you want to do something about it, that's your choice. So when your skin is already tanned, it's very difficult to reverse it, to be very honest. It is the sun damage. The most efficient thing you can do is to exfoliate your skin. The layer which is tan is gonna go away and the facial layer would appear. So now most of the home remedies should make sense to you, because you have seen like people use yogurt. They say it is an effective thing to use for tanning because yogurt has lactic acid, and lactic acid helps to exfoliate. And even I have noticed, yogurt, it helps the tanning. So yeah, you can do it manually, or you can do it, you can use chemical exfoliants for your face, for your body. I'm gonna leave the recommendations in the description box, because otherwise it's gonna be a long video. And yeah, for your face, you can use manual scrubbing if like chemical exfoliants don't suit you. And if chemical exfoliants they suit your skin, you can try AHA, because I have noticed AHA works better at detanning than BHA. You can use glycolic acid, lactic acid, or mandelic acid, but you have to understand this: when you do scrubbing, your skin can get more photosensitive, so you have to use sunscreen because you are doing all the treatments for detanning. But if you're not using sunscreen, you're gonna get tanned again, so what's the use, right? And for your body, you can use manual scrubs and chemical scrubs, whatever suits you. For chemical exfoliants for body, minimalists, they have come up with this exfoliant acid. You can use this like once in a week. Also, I bought this one, Azani, with big hope, because it has 5% glycolic acid, 5% lactic acid, and it also has this physical scrubbing granules. So I thought it's going to be very good for body, but this is really harsh, didn't suit my skin. I got rash on my body after using this. So yeah, if it suits you, then that's fine, but it is quite harsh. You also can use those toners with glycolic acid, lactic acid for your body, those overly scented toners that you won't use for your face, but those things are quite affordable. So yeah, scrubbing is the #1 thing you can do for detanning. The second thing you can do is that you can use pigment fighting actives like niacinamide, arbutin, then there is tranexamic acid, then vitamin C, licorice root extract, kojic acid. So I have to tell you, arbutin, it worked best for me when it comes to detanning. And yeah, it depends on your skin, which one your skin would like the most. But yeah, these are the pigment fighting actives that can help you to reduce tanning. So let me create a routine for you. For the daytime, what you're gonna do, you're gonna use vitamin C or any good antioxidant to reduce the effect of free radicals on your skin. And when it is paired with sunscreen, it works really well. And if your sunscreen has niacinamide, licorice root extract, then that's really good. And then for the night time, you're gonna use actives like arbutin, again niacinamide, licorice, or tranexamic acid, whatever suits your skin the most. And yeah, and a good moisturizer, and that should help you out. But yeah, don't overdo the actives. You don't have to use all like arbutin, kojic acid, tranexamic acid all together. But yeah, if you have a serum that is that has all these actives, then that's fine. And yeah, obviously exfoliation, save exfoliation for nighttime routine. Do this like thrice or twice in a week. If you're into chemical peeling, you can do it at home, but do it at low strength. don't go for like very high strength chemical peeling at home, because that can be problematic. But if your skin is used to that, then that's fine, but be cautious. Don't over exfoliate your skin, because that's going to lead to like more issues like, you know, age spots, then skin irritation. Another thing, like I told you, that works on tanning is yogurt. You can make homemade mask with yogurt and licorice powder. It works really well for me. Many people say that aloe vera gel, it works well for tanning. I'll say no, it won't. It may soothe your skin, but it won't detan your skin, to be very honest. And frankly, the best thing you can do for detanning is exfoliation. That works the best, but it takes some time, so you have to be patient. And yeah, when you're like using exfoliating acid, you have to balance your skincare routine with, you know, gentle soothing ingredients like centella, green tea, mugwort, and panthenol is quite good. And I hope you understood the plan. So plan 1 is to prevent. Use sunscreen, then try to stay away from direct and harsh sunlight as much as you can. And the other game plans are for when your skin is already tanned. So number 1 is exfoliation. You have to do it gently, effectively. Also, you have to balance your skincare routine with skin nourishing, skin soothing ingredients. Otherwise, like, you know, if you only exfoliating your skin, that's not good. And step 2 is to use pigment fighting ingredients like arbutin, niacinamide, vitamin C, licorice, whichever suits you the most. Then comes this home remedies like yogurt, licorice root powder. I think this worked too. I mean, worked for me. You can use this pack, yogurt and licorice pack, twice in a week. It should work. And yeah, also I've tried this nalpamaradi telum long time back. It helps somewhat with tanning. I think I bought this all from Amazon. I'm gonna link in the description box. So I really hope you find this to be helpful. And I researched about tanning. I read about it, and mostly what I read is that exfoliation is the key, but you have to do it responsibly, because if you overdo it, you're in trouble. And so yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye. And today we're going to talk about tanning. So
yeah, recording. Started recording. Just a lot. Tata.
Tata. But the thing is,